Mercury plunged to sub-zero level at most places in the Kashmir Valley and Ladakh region today. A local meteorological department official said that Srinagar recorded -4 degrees, Kazigund -4 degrees, Pahalgam -4 degrees, Kokarnag -6 degrees, Gulmarg -3 degrees and Kupwara -1 degrees. Kargil recorded a low of -8 degrees and Leh -10 degrees and mercury in Daras at -13 degrees. Political experts and civil society members have said that Jammu and Kashmir is a United Nations mandated disputed territory and Narendra Modi-led India's government's illegal actions of 5th August 2019 cannot change its reality. Talking to Kashmir Media Service over phone from Srinagar, the political analysts and civil society members said that India itself had taken the Kashmir dispute to the UN Security Council and the world body has passed successive resolutions calling for its settlement through plebiscite. Pakistan's permanent representative to the United Nations, Ambassador Munir Akram, has said Pakistan's sponsored resolution adopted by a UN panel that upholds the right to self-determination for the people subjected to occupation is a beacon of hope for the people of the occupied territory. He said the wide sponsorship and unanimous endorsement of Pakistan's resolution on the right of peoples under foreign occupation to self-determination is a beacon of hope for the heroic people of the occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Thousands of Indian workers carried out a massive rally in New Delhi to dissent against the new labor laws passed by the India's parliament. Around 5,000 workers and students from 18 states across the India gathered for the demonstration organized by Mazdoor Adhikar Sangharsh Abhiyan. Jamia Masjid Row in the Indian state of Karnataka has come to forefront with Bajrang Dal submitting an application in the High Court demanding to vacate it. The application claimed that there are proofs that the mosque was once a Hindu temple, so the mosque should be vacated immediately. The president of Peace Party in India, Dr. Ayub Sarjan, demanding the removal of the ban on reservation for Muslims, Dalits and Christians, said that due to the ban, these people are backward in every sector. He said since the reservation of the said communities has been abolished, they have become economically and politically very backward.